Germany's industrial future, uncertainties and opportunities. Germany has long been recognized as a powerhouse of industry, with a reputation built on engineering excellence and innovation. As the world grapples with rapid technological advancements and shifting economic landscapes, Germany's industrial future presents both challenges and opportunities that are worth examining. The next several minutes will explore the uncertainties facing Germany's industries, as well as the potential growth drivers that could shape its future. A look at the past, legacy of innovation. Germany's industrial legacy is steeped in a tradition of innovation and excellence. From the invention of the automobile by Karl Benz to the development of the printing press by Johannes Gutenberg, German ingenuity has played a pivotal role in shaping the modern world. This legacy of innovation is not just a source of national pride, but also a foundation upon which future industrial strategies can be built. Throughout history, Germany has been at the forefront of numerous industrial advancements. The country's automotive industry, for instance, is renowned worldwide for its high-quality engineering and precision. Brands like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Volkswagen have become synonymous with luxury, performance, and reliability, setting standards that others strive to match. Moreover, German industry has had a profound impact on global progress. The country's innovations in sectors such as chemicals, machinery, and electronics have not only bolstered its own economy but have also contributed significantly to global industrial development. This historical context is crucial when considering Germany's industrial prospects, as it highlights the nation's capacity to adapt and lead in times of change. Current economic landscape, challenges, and opportunities. Today, Germany's industrial sector faces a complex array of challenges that could impact its future trajectory. One of the most pressing issues is the transition to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly economy. As the world moves towards greener practices, Germany's industries must adapt to new regulations, invest in sustainable technologies, and reduce their carbon footprint. Another significant challenge is the digital transformation sweeping across industries worldwide. The rise of automation, artificial intelligence, and digitalization presents both risks and opportunities for German manufacturers. While these technologies can lead to increased efficiency and innovation, they also require substantial investment and a skilled workforce capable of managing and implementing them. However, with challenges come opportunities. Germany is well positioned to capitalize on the global shift towards sustainability and digitalization. The country's strong research and development (R&D) capabilities, coupled with its commitment to innovation, provide a solid foundation for future growth. By investing in cutting-edge technologies and fostering a culture of continuous improvement, Germany can maintain its competitive edge on the global stage. Key uncertainties in Germany's industrial future. Despite its strengths, there are several uncertainties that could influence Germany's industrial future. One such uncertainty is the geopolitical landscape. Trade tensions, shifting alliances, and regulatory changes can all impact Germany's export-dependent economy. Navigating these complexities requires strategic foresight and adaptability. Another uncertainty is the availability of skilled labor. As industries become more technologically advanced, the demand for highly skilled workers increases. However, Germany, like many other countries, faces a potential skills gap as the workforce ages and technological demands evolve. Addressing this issue through education, training, and immigration policies will be crucial in ensuring the continued growth of Germany's industrial sector. Potential growth drivers for Germany's industry. While uncertainties exist, there are several potential growth drivers that could propel Germany's industrial future. One such driver is the emphasis on Industry 4.0, which integrates digital technologies into manufacturing processes. By embracing smart factories, IoT devices, and data analytics, German industries can enhance productivity, reduce costs, and create new business models. Additionally, Germany's focus on renewable energy and green technologies presents significant opportunities. The country's commitment to the Energiewende, or energy transition, aims to shift from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources. This transition not only aligns with global sustainability goals, but also positions Germany as a leader in the green technology sector. Furthermore, Germany's strong export market remains a vital growth driver. The country's high-quality products and engineering prowess continue to be in demand worldwide. By expanding into emerging markets and fostering international partnerships, Germany can further enhance its industrial reach and economic influence. Conclusion: navigating a dynamic future. Germany's industrial future is characterized by both uncertainties and opportunities. As the nation navigates the challenges of sustainability, digital transformation, and geopolitical shifts, it must leverage its historical strengths and adapt to new realities. By embracing innovation, investing in human capital, and fostering a culture of resilience, Germany can ensure that its industrial sector remains a global leader in the years to come. While the path ahead may be complex, Germany's industrial legacy and commitment to excellence provide a solid foundation for future success. As the world continues to evolve, Germany's ability to adapt and innovate will be key to unlocking new opportunities and maintaining its position as an industrial powerhouse.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.